Hey, if you live in northwest Arkansas, the Bertrand access below Beaver Dam is one of the most productive areas. And this is one of my most productive rigs in this area. In fact, it works well on all tailwater, particularly in lower levels. You can fish this rig year-round and generally fish it about 4 feet deep in slower water, but it's got to be moving in the channel under a strike indicator. Here's a pictorial view of the spot. Notice I've got locations 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of those areas are specific areas where I fish and catch fish frequently. And position 1 is where you'll see the example here in a minute. But as you move down the river down to areas 3 and 4, you'll fish the left side. Beside, there's a drop-off with a rock ledge there, and you want to fish beside that. The finger indicates the example location. Notice I'm fishing at about 2 o'clock, drifting downstream, and the finger's pointing toward the strike indicator. Watch it go down, and then I hesitate and then lift. I don't set the hook hard, I just lift it and then reel the fish in. This is a great technique. I use it all the time in that spot, and you will catch fish if you use this rig and this technique in that water. Take care. Be safe out there.